There are lots of stressful situations in a girl's life. Be it a quarrel with a boyfriend or smudged eyeliner, we know how to cope with them. Watch a new video about weird makeup stress relievers. My friend's quarreling with someone on her phone. I think it's her boyfriend. Wow, she's really angry. Calm down. Blusher is a girl's best friend. Pour clear glue into a bowl. Add red coloring. Put in liquid washing detergent. We've got Persil color gel. Knead the red slime. Add crushed foam plastic. Put the slime into an empty blush container. My friend opens the blusher. What's this? Wow! My blusher cheers her up and makes her calm. You can press and squeeze, stretch and tear it as long as you wish. She's calmed down. The crisis is over. Oh, what's this? Is it a fairy's makeup? Magic lip gloss? It's sparkling and glowing. Pour water into an empty lip gloss container up to the middle. Add glycerin up to the top. Put in glitter. Mix it with an applicator. You can watch the glitter particles moving in the lip gloss forever. It might be sold in the fairy makeup shops. I want to get it right now. Forget about the lip gloss. I've got something cooler. It's my lava lamp. Pour oil into an empty clear spray perfume bottle. Use a funnel. Dissolve coloring in water. Put in some glitter. Suck the sparkly colored water into a syringe. Drop it into the oil. When it sinks, toss pieces of effervescent tablets into the bottle. We've taken aspirin. It's a sparkling magic inside the lava lamp. It looks like a space dance. The colored bubbles soar and then sink again quietly. Cut off a tube from the spray top. Close the lava lamp. I enjoy watching the bubbles move for a long time. It has a soothing and relaxing effect. If you put in more effervescent pills, you'll watch a whole bubble whirl. It looks like an underwater volcano eruption. My friend sees my lava lamp. The sparkly lip gloss is forgotten. She's really excited about my magic bottle. The colored bubbles move in the way my heart beats. She wants the spray for herself. No way! If you've taken my lip gloss, play with it. Okay, I can exchange the lava spray for the lip gloss because I can moisturize my hands with the glycerin. My friend didn't expect it. She seems to make the wrong choice again. Does the sound of a zipper drive you crazy? Your friend knows about it, but it doesn't stop her? Let's see how she'll react to your totally awesome makeup bag. Fold a piece of felt in half. Take zippers of different colors. Place them on the felt one by one. Mark out the excess. Measure ½ inch beyond the top zipper. Draw a line. Pin the felt. Cut off the top across the line. Hot glue the sides up to the mark. Fold the top and hot glue. Attach a fastening zipper. Hot glue the decorating zippers to the front side. Attach Velcro to the other. Aha! A day of revenge has come. There are 4 torturing tools on my makeup bag. I can make a whole irritating band from my zippers. Play a C note. Then follows a Velcro choir as a backing vocal. Here it is, my ode to joy. My friend doesn't seem to be a music lover. She takes her stress-relieving compact. You'll need an empty used compact or a pocket mirror. Cut out a few pieces of bubble wrap to fit the container. Put them in. My friend's popping the bubble wrap. It makes her calm and relaxed. She's found the way to reduce the zipper sound effect. Bubbles are the best stress relievers. I've got 2 unusual EOS balms, yellow and pink. They're perfect for pranking tools. I'll put them into my friend's backpack. How soon will she guess what they are? Put pink acrylic paint into clear stationery glue. Stir well. Pour in a little liquid washing detergent. We've got Persil color gel. Stir again. Add a pinch of soda to prevent the slime from sticking to your hands. Put it into an empty EOS container. My friend comes and starts looking for her lip balm in her backpack. She feels a familiar shape. She takes it out, but it isn't what she expects. It's not my balm. Oh, what's this inside? Pink and glossy. It can stretch? It's slime! Well, where's my EOS balm? She peeps into her makeup bag and finds another EOS, and again, it isn't hers. What's happening? Make the other slime different in color and properties. Add starch into stationery glue. Drop in yellow acrylic paint and stir well. Pour in a little liquid hand soap. The yellow slime looks like modeling clay, but it differs by having stretchy properties. Roll up a yellow ball. Put it into an empty EOS container. While I'm playing with my yellow slime, my friend continues looking for her lip balm. Finally, she finds it. The best way to get rid of stress is solving a problem. My roommate applies her mascara and oops! An incident known to everyone happens. The eye makeup is spoiled. What should she do? She can't go anywhere with such makeup. The life stops here. Calm down. I've got a stress reliever. It's my favorite makeup brush. Pull a balloon onto a funnel. Fill it with flour. Put in a little makeup brush. Wind cord around the balloon to fasten the brush. Cover the balloon with white glue. Sprinkle with glitter. Fasten the glitter with hairspray. I give my brush to my friend. When you squeeze the ball, it seems you've got soft snow in your hands. It crunches just like snow, but your hands don't get cool and it doesn't melt. It calms you down. Besides, you can remove the eyeliner problem with the brush, and it's a nice stress reliever. Can I take your eyeshadow? It's so beautiful and soft and colorless. What's wrong with it? Is it spoiled? No, the young prankster opens her secret. It's no eyeshadow, but a stress reliever. Mix bath foam with starch. Knead the slime. Divide it into 3 parts. Add food coloring in each. Knead 3 colored balls. Take an empty eyeshadow palette. Put slime eyeshadow in each section. Take it from the palette and knead it in your hands. You can play with it all day long. Your eyes will sparkle with joy without any makeup. My friend takes my foundation cream and tries to open it. There's something wrong. Oops, it seems I've broken it. No, it's all right. There's kinetic sand inside. Sift a cup of sand. Mix it with a spoonful of starch. Pour in 2 teaspoons of dish soap. Mix well. Add acrylic paint. Mix again. We've got nice to touch kinetic sand. It's so fun to squish and form into shapes in your hands. It's also very moldable, making it great for building sandcastles and other structures. This foundation sand, or kinetic cream, doesn't matter. It can make you really happy. Did you put your mascara wand into your eye? It can make anyone mad. But if there's a piece of soft fur nearby, you'll feel better. You'll need mascara. Cut off a piece of faux fur. Hot glue it to the mascara top. Attach the other piece to the tube. There's real mascara under the green fluffy beauty. When you take this off top, you'll feel your stress fade away. Your lips smile. You'll never put this soft mascara into your eye again. The problem solved. Did you like the makeup stress relievers? Write in your comments which one you chose to get rid of stress. Fluffy mascara, kinetic foundation cream, or a magic lava lamp. Be sure to subscribe, give your thumbs up, and click the bell. Ding! It's time to watch a new video on Troom Troom.